Hey guys, and welcome to Smart Photo Reviews channel. Fine weather at last, so we are lucky that we can record our videos outdoor to be more fun for you and for us as well. Here we have one excellent product, Vanguard Backpack Alta Rise series model 48, which is meant as a successor of ever so popular Uprise series. Will it fit the shoes of Uprise series? We can see in next several minutes, so stay with us if you're interested to see. So let's start with the exterior of this backpack. As always, Vanguard has materials of excellent quality. This is no exception. Here we have a heavy-duty handle that is absolutely capable to withstand very large capacities and heavy loads that you can put in this bag. From the upper part of this bag we have a little compartment here. We have also a little compartment underneath this handle. You can access the top compartment with the zippers that are here. Top compartment looks like this. So basically the backpack is split in two halves, upper compartment and main compartment for your photo gear. Here you can also store additional laptop, smaller laptop. I think that MacBook Air will fit here, and additional tablet here. So you have two compartments for storing your gadgets. Here you have compartment for other stuff, maybe some stuff that you're wearing, some clothes. Here you have small pockets for maybe filters or memory cards or something like that. Regarding materials, these materials are quite good and water repellent and seem capable of withholding and withstanding with harshest weather conditions you can encounter. So about exterior and other parts of this backpack. From the front side we have an excellent system that is called by Vanguard 6 Plus or Plus 6. That means that you can, only by the means of unzipping this zipper, extend the main compartment in depth by 6 centimeters, which is excellent addition because you can then put your big lenses upside down instead of horizontally. So you can put them vertically. Other sides of the bag. From this side you have quick access compartment from which you can access your gear easily. Also here you have weather cover or rain cover, which you can take and put anywhere you want if it's too crampy here. Also you have additional straps for attaching some other stuff. On the back side you have high quality straps or harness system that seems very comfortable to wear. You have additional sternum or chest strap for additional stability, and also you have straps down there that go around your waist. If you don't use them, you can hide them inside these little pockets that are here. On this side of the backpack we have a system for attaching tripods. You can attach tripods directly to these straps, or you can buy additional bag that is produced by Vanguard and put your tripod in that bag and then attach it here. If you don't want to put it in that bag, you can open this little compartment here and take this pocket for attaching your tripod to this side of the backpack. Additionally, on this side you have a little compartment here that you can store your water bottles or something like that. Okay, let's say a few words about the bottom of the backpack. It's hardened, high quality materials for extra protection when you put your bag on some wet, muddy surfaces to protect your gear more. So regarding exterior, that's it. You can say that it's very well made and of high quality. Now let's check out the interior of this backpack, the main compartment. You open it by using these zippers, as I showed you earlier, and then you get to these limiters, these straps that are locked and are limiting it from opening completely. If you want to open the complete main compartment, then you have to release these buckles here and open the main compartment like this. As I said, these are storage compartments for your smaller laptop and tablet, and here we have the main compartment for your camera equipment. As you see, the interior of the back is yellow. It's great addition because it helps increase the contrast between your gear and the bag, and you can find your stuff easier. You can put your memory cards here or some other stuff. As you can see, there is well organized and big space here for a lot of your equipment. So you can organize it the way you want it. So in the meantime, we have packed this backpack with some photo gear so we can show you how much it can fit. So let's open the main compartment here and see. Here we have an Nikon or Nikon Z6 with a 70 to 200 millimeters lens attached with a lens hood turned around. We have a big size flash gun. We have additional 24 to 70 lens. We have 16 to 35 lens, and we have a fixed 35 millimeters 1.8 lens. So in fact, we have put camera with big lens, additional 3 lenses, 1 big flash gun. If you need to carry more equipment, you can put it in this upper compartment, but be careful not to scratch it one on the other, because you don't have these yellow dividers here. So that's about the interior. As you can see, you can put enough gear to finish any photography task that you can encounter. On the back side of this backpack, we have a little secret pocket or secret compartment, which was so well hidden that even we have missed it. That's here, and you can put some your personal stuff like credit cards or wallet or something else here to hide it from potential thieves. So let's talk about some conclusion and good stuff and bad stuff about this Alta Rise 48 backpack. First, good stuff. High quality materials, excellent handle, many compartments, small, medium and bigger compartments for storing your gear, additional accessories, everything you need to carry on with you. You have excellent harness system with straps around your chest and around your waist. You can carry big laptop here. You can carry additional smaller laptop inside and additional tablet if you want. So 3 your devices, electronic devices, you can carry in this backpack. It has excellent main compartment with a yellow interior, as you saw, where you can pack a lot of your gear. It has this quick access pocket for quick accessing your gear, as the name says. So mainly everything about this backpack is well thought of. Also the design is appealing. It's personal taste, but I think it is very appealing to most of the people. Also you can attach tripod here in 2 different ways, whether with additional Vanguard bag or directly here with this pocket that I showed you earlier. If you don't want to put your rain cover here, which is also excellent addition, you can put it anywhere in the bag, so it doesn't press too much on your equipment here. That's about good stuff. Now a few words about some downsides or flaws or not so good stuff about this Alta Rise 48 Vanguard backpack. I had a very hard time finding some flaws, which speaks a lot by itself. But here are a few that I found out. The first thing that I noticed is that the position of this rain cover isn't so well thought of, because it thickens here this compartment and makes more pressure on your gear. It can suit as extra protection because of that, but I think it could be positioned somewhere else to fit better. If it's a problem for you, you can always remove this rain cover and put it somewhere else in the bag, and that way lose that pressure on your gear. The other thing that is common when it comes to Vanguard backpacks, this Alta Rise series as well as predecessor Uprise series, is this quick access compartment to the main gear compartment. Well, the fact is that it's not meant for your camera with a vertical or battery grip attached. So if you have really a need to carry your camera with vertical grip attached, then this backpack might not be for you. Otherwise, if you can live without that vertical grip, this backpack is excellent. Now let's see how this backpack fits on your back when it's loaded with your gear. Shoulder straps are quite comfortable. You have chest strap here for extra stability, and for extra comfort and stability you have waist strap here. That's how it looks like on your back from the front, from the side, and from the back. So I have walked several minutes with this backpack on my back to check its comfort, and I can tell you that fully loaded with my photo gear, it's quite comfortable to wear, and in that respect it won't disappoint you at all. So what are our final thoughts about this Vanguard Alta Rise 48 backpack? As you could see, there are so many good stuff that we mentioned and so little bad stuff that we mentioned that you can make a conclusion yourself that this backpack is excellently made, and we can highly recommend it to you. If it fits your needs, if it fits the amount of photo gear you are going to carry with you, then this backpack might be perfect for you. That's all for now. Thank you for being with us. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and show us your support. You can comment below asking additional questions about this backpack, and we will be more than happy to reply to you. And also, if you have some suggestions about the gear we could review for you, you can also make some comments below. Until next time, thank you for your time and being with us. This was Smart Photo Reviews channel. Bye-bye.